Hello children, let us start with one more problem on square and square roots. The area of a square field is 60025 meter square. A man cycled along its boundary at 18 km per hour. In how much time will he return at the starting point? Now let us break this word problem into sentences and understand its meaning. Now the area of a square field is 60025 meter square. That means they have given us what is the area of a square field. Okay. So area of square is equal to 60025 meter square. Now we know children the formula for finding area of a square is side into side. So here side is not given but area is given. So if we find out the square root of this number, we will get side of the square because area is equal to side into side. So we can say area is side square because all the sides in a square are equal. So if area is 60025, which is equal to side square. So the square root of 60025 is nothing but side of a square. So this will be our first step to find side of a square. And we will do it with square root because this chapter is based on square root. That's why we have been given this problem. So let us take the numbers in pairs. Right children? So 2 2s are 4. 6 minus 4 is 2, bringing down two numbers at a time. 2 plus 2 is 4. 44 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16 plus 1 is 17. And here if I add 4, we will get 48. So what is the difference of this? 4, 24. Hope I am right. 170, 190 and 200. Now next I will bring down this pair, that is 2 5. So 485 into 5 is 2425. So our remainder is 0. That means yes, it is a perfect square. Square root of 60025 is 245 meter. So we have got the side of a square as 245 meter. So this is our first information. Okay. Now they are saying a man cycles along its boundary. So let us take this as a square, right? It is a ABCD square and they are saying that a man cycles along its boundary. That means a man is cycling around A to B, B to C, C to D and D to A. And we know now the side of a square is 245 meter. So to find the distance covered by man in one round, what is the formula we will use? We will use perimeter is equal to 4 into S because perimeter of a square means perimeter of the boundary and perimeter of the boundary will tell us what is the distance covered by man. So our second step is to find perimeter of a square. So perimeter formula is 4 into S. So 4 into 245 which will give us 980 meter. So we have found the second step also. So we have found first side of a square with the help of area and we have found what is the perimeter or what is the distance he has covered. So I can say the distance covered by the man is 980 meter. Now they have given us 18 km per hour. So what is 18 km per hour children? It is speed. So they have given us speed and we have found the distance covered by the person. So how will we find time? So our third step is, now distance covered we have found. Distance covered is nothing but perimeter. So distance covered by man is equal to 980 meter. And what is the speed given? Speed is equal to 18 km per hour. Right? And what is the formula to find time? Time is equal to distance by speed. This is the formula to find time. Time is equal to distance by speed. But if you look at it closely, this is in meters and this is in kilometer per hour. The units are not same, children. So to convert kilometer to meter, if you have to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, you have to multiply it by 5 by 18. So that is your third step. 18 kilometer per hour, if you multiply by 5 by 18, we will get the answer in meter per second. So 18 gets cancelled. So our answer is 5 meter per second. So we have converted 18 kilometer per hour as 5 meter per second. So now the units are same. Now we can do the division easily. So we will write time, that is T, is equal to distance we have already found out, perimeter 980 meter by speed. What is speed, children? 5 meter per second. Okay. So if I divide 980 by 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 nines are 45, 5 6 are 30. So it is 196 seconds. So they have asked in how much time will he return at the starting point. So he will take 196 seconds. I can convert this into minutes and seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Therefore, 196 seconds is equal to how many minutes? So we have to do a simple division. 60 divided by 196, that is 63s are 80 and your remainder is 60. So 196 seconds is nothing but 3 minutes 16 seconds, and this is your fourth and final step. I hope you understood, children. First, find the side of the square with the square root. Then find the perimeter to find the distance covered by the man. Change kilometer per hour to meter per second by multiplying it by 5 by 18. And to find time, use the formula distance by speed. See you in next class, children. Bye.